Hi, Grandma. What time do you want me to pick you up tonight?
Oh, dearie, I'm so glad to hear from you. Oh, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, Grandma, thanks. I'm late for work, though, so I was just trying to quickly call and find out what time I need to pick you up tonight.
Oh, you're at work. Praise the Lord and count your blessings, honey.
No, Grandma, What time tonight?
Dearie, it's almost 8 a.m. and I've got to start getting ready for the church party tonight.
Yes, Grandma, that's what I've been trying to talk to you about. The church party.
Oh, dearie, that's why you have so many problems. You need to go to church. That will solve all your problems. And pray that you'll find a God-fearing man that can help you.
Oh my gosh. Yes, Grandma.
What time are you coming to pick me up tonight? The party's at 6, and we need to find a good parking spot.
Grandma, that's why I was calling.
Hold on a moment. I can't hear you. And I can't seem to find my hearing aids. Oh well, just come pick me up at 4, honey, okay?
Grandma, I'm sorry, but I don't get off of work until 5.
What was that?
I'll be there at 5:30. 5:30.
Meet you by the big tree? Okay, dearie, I'll see you at 4. Oh.